Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can control and manage your synchronization settings for Microsoft OneDrive in 2026. So let us get started. Now guys, for this method you will need to access the OneDrive application, for example on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. What you want to do is launch it on your device. Click into that button in the bottom right corner of, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11, and select that icon here, OneDrive, to get redirected to the OneDrive app. From here, guys, I'm going to translate for you because, as you can see, OneDrive is displayed in Polish for me, not in English. So I'm going to navigate you through this. So here on OneDrive, click into that gear icon in the top right and select Settings from the drop-down menu. And here, guys, to inside OneDrive, to access your synchronization settings, simply click into that symbol in the top left, synchronization and backup. And from here, go through these settings. At the bottom, you will see the advanced settings, so expand these. And I'm going to navigate you through each of these settings. So here, you may manage your backup settings. Click into it, and after that, simply on the next page, select which file types you'd like to keep as a backup. For example, in a folder on your device, in a OneDrive folder. So you can do that from there. After that, you may disable or enable the auto-saving feature for images and video clips, for example, from your device inside your OneDrive application. So you can disable or enable these here as well. And do that also for screenshots, for example. If you don't want to keep them automatically saved on OneDrive, simply keep this disabled. After that, you may, for example, import cloud photos and files by clicking into this button here to the right and decide which file types you would like to import to the cloud of OneDrive. And then, guys, you may see these options below. For example, you may limit the download speed, for example, by enabling this option, and set a maximum kbs or kilobyte per second, for example, for the download, if you need this, for instance. And then you can also customize the transferring speed by enabling it here, by expanding the option below, and for example, set it to automatic or set a limit for the transferring. And that's basically it. Below, you may also exclude several file types from the synchronization with your computer. Simply click into this button, and after that, select the file, enter the file here, for example, and that's basically it. So, guys, that's how you manage your, let me just close that here. Let me just, that's how you manage your synchronization settings on Microsoft OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.